Hello friends, do you believe the greatest luxuries in life cannot be bought? Like having those loved ones who go to any extent to put a smile on your face, having those well-wishers who travel across to be present on your special day, having those friends who stand by your side, sometimes braving all the odds, or having someone who is baking cake for you even though doesn't seem to have all necessary ingredients to bake one. All these things just to make you happy. Many of the things we take for granted in life are often the greatest luxuries for which we should be so grateful because we are so blessed with them. You know, Chintu's biggest enemy is Great American Uncle, that is George W. Bush, because US intervention in Iraq resulted in the war, due to which Chintu couldn't celebrate his last birthday, and he is hoping that his this birthday is not ruined by Great American Uncle again. Chintu's birthday is the day in the life of the Indian immigrants stuck in Iraq, planning a birthday celebration for their 6-year-old Chintu. But it seems like all their plans are destined to be stuck right from the beginning. Things get complicated when soldiers attack their home and cake they baked for the birthday gets burnt. Amidst of all this chaos, Chintu's birthday is celebrated by cutting cake. How did this all happen? How did the family manage to do all this? Find out by watching the movie. Chintu's birthday is all about trials and tribulation of the family stuck in wrong place at wrong time. Family has caught up in the conflict zone in difficult times and is unable to return to India. Yearning for returning to motherland is the thread that runs throughout the movie. But still they are trying to live their life to the fullest under the dire circumstances, which affords the positivity, especially the way in which whole family plans birthday celebrations so as to compensate for last year's birthday too is so earnest and warming. And also father's determination to do whatever it takes to make sure nothing comes in the way of little joys of his family is so heart-touching and is a vote to parents. Chintu's birthday has limited characters and is shot inside one home, yet it depicts the life in conflict zone so well purely because of its strong content and screenplay, which keeps one hooked till the end. The movie is so realistic. All the actors in the movie have done an amazing job, especially Chintu, who is so cute. Cinematography has captured the essence of the film. But one issue is that the movie is the mix of Arabic, English and Hindi, which necessitates the need for the use of subtitles. But on a whole, this is the feel-good movie and is totally worth a watch. Guys, watch this movie and leave in the comment section how did you feel about it. And also do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.